Well, we thought putting the ridge pole up was going to be super easy, and we would get the rafters up. So about a week and a half ago we had the crane guy come out, and with this pretty crane we thought he would just lift everything up and get it done in short order and do it in 3 hours and no problem. But I'll probably write about this more, but in this 2-minute video I just give you the quick and dirty. When he put up the ridge pole, he grabbed it in such a way that it didn't allow the log to turn and settle into its natural position, and so I pinned it with it in an unnatural position, and then when he released the pressure, it rolled a little bit off center. So you can see on the ridge pole I have a 2x4 right there that's at 12 o'clock, and when he let go, that thing went over to like 1 o'clock or 1:30, and so then he got scared, thinking it was unstable, and he didn't want to work on it after that, even though I was trying to push for getting the rafters up and said that that would hold it in place better, and you know, the rafters actually stabilized the ridge pole, but he didn't want to go for that. He'd already spent a bunch of hours. We'd wasted some time with the front RPSL, and so anyway, so he pulled off. So now it's been a week and a half. I've stabilized the ridge pole with some shims and some more rebar, and it's held in place with this strap until we get the rafters on. But I did loosen it just to see what would happen, and it didn't move at all. So it's solid. It's not going anywhere. So anyway, so he's going to come out in about a week, and well, not in a week. He's coming out in 2 days. And we're going to set the rafters, and I'll just crawl in here, and this is what it looks like from the inside. Nice big 56-foot long ridge pole. Let me show you the rafters before I run out of record time. They're out here laying on the ground, ready to go. I got 14 sets, 28 rafters total. We're just going to pick them up and stick them up there, and this time everything's going to go well. I'm confident that we're going to get it done right this time. So anyway, that's where we're at.